Anyway, according to the rules, you have to perform. So, you are the world record holder, you are the world champion, but you can become a new world record holder. So, well, I suggest, now, let's watch whether he can beat himself, whether he can achieve an even faster time, now that he knows that he's already winner. 15 seconds. Fine. So, the very, very last attempt of the first ever Rubik Cubes World Championship held in Budapest, and the very last attempt will be made by the reigning world champion, Mr. Mintai, United States. 3, 2, 1, start. Fine, 27.97 seconds. The world champion standing here on stage. What is your first reaction now? You have won a world title here in Budapest, in the country where the inventor lives. Have you expected to become a world champion in Budapest?
Well, it was a very tough competition, but I was pretty optimistic to win the competition anyway, but I didn't really expect it.
Which combination of the three was the most difficult for you?
They are the same.
All the same?
Yeah.
Were they all the same? Could you now, at the third attempt, concentrate as hard as at the second and as at the first attempt, after knowing that you are already winner?
Well, if you didn't tell me I won, then I would have concentrated more.
I congratulate you. Thank you for competing in Budapest. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the final minutes, the final seconds, the victory ceremony. Champions of 19 countries have been participating here, have been bidding for the world title. I ask the inventor of this puzzle, of this magic cube, Mr. Ernest Rubik, the president of the jury, to tell us the official results of the first ever World Championships.
The world champion, 1982, winner of the gold cube, Mintai from United States of America. Winner of the silver cube, Russell Schultz, Holland. Winner of the bronze cube, from Hungary, Babel Zoltan.
An extra present, not a prize, a present by the inventor, by Professor Ernest Rubik. Traditional Hungarian-style chessboards to the world champion and to the last place competitor, Mr. Joseph Treiber from Austria. A commemorative plaque to all of the 19 national champions who competed here for the world title in Budapest at the first ever Rubik's Cube World Championship. And that's all. That's the last minute, the last picture from Budapest. Thank you for watching us. And come again when we are having the championships again in Budapest. Bye-bye.
Harmonize the colors of your life, for the face of the cube to be alive. You can twist, twiddle and fiddle, the tricks in the middle of the cube. Rubik.
Rubik Cube.